Hi, my name is April, and my continent is Australia, and my animal is the koala bear. The koala bear lives up to 13 to 18 years. The koala bear... The koala bear weighs 8 to 33 pounds. And they're herbivores. They eat eucalyptus leaves, and that's also their water. They sleep up to 18 hours a day. The babies don't have any ears, they can't see, and they have no fur when they're first born. And
what's a baby koala bear called?
And they're called joeys.
Baby koala's called joey. And where does the baby koala go after he's born?
I don't know.
Mama has a pouch, doesn't she? And the baby's got to climb up and get into the pouch. How big is a baby koala when it's born? Do you know?
It's about the size of a jelly bean. When a baby koala bear is born, it's about the size of a jelly bean.
Oh, that's so small.
And it's orange. After the mama gives birth, the baby has to climb up the mama's tummy and find its way into the pouch.
Are jelly beans like this big, so this is kind of how big they would be?
That's right. And do you know what an animal that has pouches is what they're called?
What?
Look at me.
No. Marsupial.
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 Yeah, those are animals with pouches.
Did you find anything else out about the koala? Tell us about your pictures and your flag that you have there.
This is the Australian flag. My mom kept doing the stars here, and then I kept accidentally smudging the star off when I was putting the picture, when I was gluing the pictures on, so she just left it like that.
Oh, it's
But
okay.
this is the Australian flag. This says Australia. That. This says kangaroo bears.
You mean koala bear?
Koala bears. And this is a picture of it eating eucalyptus leaves. This is a picture of it sleeping. This is just a really cute picture of one. This is one on its mommy's back.
So that's how it travels around. How long does the baby koala stay with the mommy? Long time?
Until they're 2 years old.
And I like the little picture you drew over there. Your little drawing on the left there. That's pretty. Nice. And I love that word you used, that scientific word, hydrate. Tell the class again, what does that mean, hydrate?
It means water.
It means that's you get your water. Like you have to hydrate with your water bottle. You get to drink water. But koalas hydrate eating their eucalyptus leaves. There's enough water in the eucalyptus leaves. They don't have to drink anything at all day long. They just eat. Isn't that interesting?
And
Cool fact.
Did you know that that eucalyptus leaves are poisonous, but the koala bears can eat them?
Interesting fact.
Very interesting fact.
This koala bear is sleeping to go with it, saying that they sleep. And my mom made the first letter smeared with gold glitter glue, and then this, she traced it with blue glitter.
I like the way you did all the writing on
And
it.
then I colored all these in. I
Nice.
colored this in. I traced this, and I writ this.
I can see that.
I writ that, and I writ that.
Would you
But
like
my mom writ lifespan.
Would you like to take some questions?
And I have some accidents on here, but they were covered up. Like this. And this right here, it's 11, but the places say 18.
Oh, I see. Well, that's good. You fixed it well.
Oh. Hey, Jaden.
How well can they hear?
I don't know.
Well, they have
They have
fairly
kind
good
of
size
big
ears. I bet they
ears.
can hear pretty good.
Whoa. There's a lot of questions. Katie.
Does anybody eat them?
I don't think so.
Maybe people again, kind of like people could be cutting down their forests, and then that would cause them trouble if they couldn't find their eucalyptus.
But
You know,
I don't really think anyone eats a koala.
I don't really
because-
think they do
Because
either.
they eat eucalyptus leaves.
Well, and you have to think about that they are from the continent of Australia, and there aren't really big gamey animals like lions and tigers and bears in Australia. So that would be the kind of thing you might think could eat a koala, but they're not in the same environment, so same habitat, so they probably wouldn't have. I don't think they'd have a predator.
No, I think it's just people because
Yeah.
we're
And they barely
cutting
get
down
off
forest.
the
the
ground,
forest.
so I don't think they have predators because they barely get off the ground.
That's right. They
Get
stay
off
in the
the
trees.
trees.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And they sleep a lot after they eat. They sleep.
They
Mhm.
sleep a lot.
I
They use their big noses. They smell everything that they eat, and if they pick a eucalyptus leaf and they don't like the smell of it, they'll just drop it and get another one. But they like to smell it before they eat it for some reason.
I think it's interesting. They sleep up to 18 hours a
picked
day.
I picked the pattern for these,
Ah, mhm.
and my mom wrote the bubble letters. And
Very
I
nice.
colored them in.
Okay, do you want to have some people ask you questions?
And whoa. Again. Ethan.
How fast can they run?
I already said they barely get on the ground. I don't think
I
they
know,
run
like,
at all because they're
swing
slow.
from tree.
I
They
don't
don't
think
swing.
they swing.
They climb.
They just climb and they just hang in the same eucalyptus tree.
They're
for a
not like
while.
monkeys.
No. And they're actually
way
not a
slower.
real bear. They're in a special category. They call them a bear, but they're really not in the bear family because they have a thumb, and that's different.
They have a thumb.
Yeah.
Some monkeys do, and some monkeys don't.
It's
But
koalas
most
need-
monkeys
And they have a
don't.
pouch. Makes them a
they
marsupial.
have a
That's
pouch.
the family.
So they're kind of like kangaroos. Because
That's right.
kangaroos have pouches, and their babies are also called joeys.
Mm-hmm.
I'll call you Catherine.
I like the picture that you drew.
This one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Its ears are kind of hard to draw, so I drew it like that.
What's their enemy too?
I don't think
Where-
We already answered that question. They don't really have an enemy. Except for maybe man that cuts down their forest. As if they don't get their eucalyptus trees, and if they don't have anything to eat and they have no place to live, because that's where they live. They live in the trees.
pretty much everything comes from This one, Victoria.
How do people not step on them since they're the size of a jelly bean? What if they think they're a jelly bean?
I don't think
Where does the baby go, April? Where's the baby when as soon as it's born? Where's it go? Mama's pouch.
Mama's pouch.
The jelly bean doesn't lay around on the ground. It's in Mama's pouch. Stays in Mama's pouch, never comes out for quite some time.
Maybe in like 1 or 2 years. If you
Eh.
wave your hand around like a flag.
One more question.
If you wave your hand around like a flag, I'm not going to call on you.
One more question.
Walker and Jamie were doing that. They were like,
Okay, are you gonna call on somebody or are we done?
Hadley.
If they have little tiny baby jelly bean arms, then how can they climb so well into the mama's pouch?
Well, that's a very good question. I don't know.
Takes a long time. They have arms when they're born. They don't look like a jelly bean.
They just
That was just a
can't-
reference for
They
the
just
size
don't
of them.
They just don't have any. They just don't have any ears, and they cannot see, so they probably fall down.
Just like dogs when they're born can't see, cats when they're born can't see. So they have to just kind of instinctually, they know that they've got to climb up the
They
tummy.
gotta like feel their way around.
That's right.
But how can they climb up so well with little tiny?
Takes a long time.
That's kind of like nature's secret, how they know. Maybe
Good
like
answer.
100 seconds.
Oh no, longer than that. 100
Wait,
seconds isn't even 2 minutes.
Like 1,000.
Okay, let's give April a hand.